What are my intentions for 2022? What are they? Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. I hope you all had an amazing one. So in this vlog, I'm going to show you my recap of 2022 of some of my time in India, how I absorbed the goodness, how I let go of things that no longer serve me from 2022. Then what I do is I go out in nature so that I gain inspiration for intention setting for 2023. And then I sit down and write down my intentions for 2023. And then I share those intentions with you all. During 2022, I travelled alone around India. It was terrifying to travel on 40-hour train journeys, end up at overwhelming festivals, be totally blown away by the sheer beauty of the place. Amongst this fear, amongst this anxiety and the overwhelming wildlife and the cultural challenges that came with it, but I really grew a lot. I went out in nature to help me think about what I really wanted to set as 2023 intentions. Grounding with Mother Earth really does get my ideas flowing about what I really want from the following year. What I did do is I collected items of nature whilst I was out and about. The idea of this collection was to take it home with me and to actually make a space with those natural items so the ideas just continue to flow as I write. I really did like the space that I made so that I could get my ideas flowing, and you know what? The ideas of the intentions sure did flow. So before I start the intention setting, I just want to share with you my outfit. The hat that I got for Christmas, opened it on Christmas Day. I'll link that vlog above in case you didn't see the Christmas Day present opening vlog. And my outdoor hoodie, if you can see it there, that matches the hat. And it's just started to rain, so not sure how long I can stay out in the rain for, telling you what the intentions were that I wrote down. Intention number one, this is the only intention I'm going to tell you when sitting out here. I'll have to tell you the rest at home because it's raining. It's a massive adventure to vlog in the rain. Intention number one is to continue with the vlogs. Yes, I absolutely love vlogging. It's a massive passion of mine. But another intention is to get some more online work, because in order to keep the vlogging going, I will need to do more work so that I can fund it. So, since one of my intentions was to connect more with nature, I've decided to stay outside and finish the intention setting here because I'm actually underneath a bridge. So, intention number two, as you know, I love to travel. So I've got travel intentions. So as well as the 3 years that I did in India, I'm also looking to do some local travel as well. For example, I would love to go to London and show you all London on the vlog. And also Spain, but the real traditional Spanish part of Spain, and Greece, because Greece is so authentic and has a huge cultural depth. India, yes, but that might be part of my long-term plan. My intentions here are just to set the shorter-term plans. So in terms of yoga and meditation plans, I would like to do more proprioception meditation. So for example, where our body parts are in space. For example, think of your head. Your head is filling with a beautiful, beautiful yellow sunlight, because that's what keeps me really calm. And another proprioception exercise is where we put the hands on the stomach and just breathe in and out, and that's cultivating our inner power when we can't control things that are going on around us. So, and in addition to proprioception and feeling calm, my yoga plan is to do more sun salutations. I am in love with the combination of the breath and the movement and the relaxation of the mind and the building of stamina and strength. I gain all of these things through Hatha, Vinyasa, yoga. And the final intention that I am setting is to stay in good health as much as possible, taking responsibility for all the yoga I do and walking more outside in nature, which is also really good for mental health as well as physical health, and eating really well. It's Veganuary, January Veganuary. So because that's one of my intentions, I will do some vegan cooking for you. So the vegan meal I'm going to cook today is pilau rice. In this container, I have placed a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, a couple of cloves. I've also got black ground pepper and ground pink Himalayan salt. Yum! So I'm going to put veggies in. I'll put a carrot in and a small onion with yellow pepper and an aubergine. Onions fight inflammation and peppers are a great source of vitamin A. Aubergine support heart health. Carrots are really good for eyesight and you'll be able to see better in the dark. So I'm just heating up the oil and then I will stir fry the onions. So I'm just stir frying them now, the onions, then I'm going to add the spices and then the veg. After the veg, I'll add the rice. It'll be a nice yellow colour from the turmeric, and then 2 cups of water. Then I will bring it to boil and then simmer for about 10 minutes or so. So you can probably see now that it's coming to boil. The veg pilau rice. And I'm serving it with hummus. It goes really nicely with hummus. I like it. So the hummus is made from chickpeas, so it is full of protein. We've got a very good balance between protein, the carbohydrates in the rice, and all the vitamins in the veg. So healthy, happy Veganuary. It really is a good combination between the Indian spices, the Indian basmati rice, and hummus. Yum! So I hope that you all very much enjoyed my Healthy 2023 intentions. And as I said earlier in the vlog, it's about absorbing the goodness I gained from India, letting go of what doesn't serve me, because then the intentions for 2023 will have a lot more depth and I'll be more inclined to stick to those. intentions. So have any of you got any intentions for 2023? Health intentions or any other intentions? Just comment below. So thank you all very much indeed for watching this vlog. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Om Namah Shivaya. So you know the drill. If you like the video, then you give it a thumbs up. YouTube really love it when the people who watch my channel subscribe to my channel. So much gratitude to all those that subscribe. So I'll end the vlog here. Thank you all very much for watching. Kisses, mwah, and see you on the next vlog. Bye for now. So straight ahead of me, I have got a bowl of water, pieces of paper, and a beautiful candle. On each piece of paper, I've written down something that from 2022 that doesn't serve me, and I've folded it. And I'm going to show you a letting go exercise that you can do too, just so your intentions for 2023 can be deeply set once you've let go of what doesn't serve you. So basically, what I do is, there you go, there's the flame. We put the paper in the flame. We blow out the thought. Oh my God. And then we place it in the water. See, it can take a lot to let go. It's a very, very awkward process, but we can do it.